Well, the time of year has come for us all who both love and hate getting the lawn looking clean and pristine. But it's also time for return of the weeds. So this week we're going to cover two products that will help you take back your turf. Introducing Killex Concentrate and Roundup Super Concentrate. Let's kick it off with Killex. This concentrated formula is ideal for when the weeds have arrived en masse, taking up all the space they can. Well, they sure aren't paying property taxes, so it's time to evict them. Simply dilute 6 milliliters of Killex into 1 liter of water in your sprayer of choice and douse those pesky squatters. This 1 liter bottle can cover up to 800 square meters. So no matter how big the invasion, you'll be sure you can take them out. And don't worry about the grass. Killex is specially formulated to only attack weeds, leaving your lawn lush and green. Just be sure to only apply when there will be no rain for at least 24 hours in order to give the solution time to soak in. But what if there's no more grass to speak of? Or even worse, grass and weeds have started growing in the small cracks in your sidewalk and driveway. That's where Roundup comes into play, being designed to fully wipe out any unwanted weeds or grass by attacking them straight from the roots. This 1 liter jug of super concentrate covers up to 1,000 square meters. So with a dilution ratio of 1:50 in your sprayer, just give the desired kill zone a good shower. The solution becomes rainproof in only 2 hours, with visible results within 3 days, and complete control taking 2 to 4 weeks. With both of these products, double check with your local bylaws first to ensure you're allowed to use them. If you can, make sure to keep both people and your furry friends off the grass until the product is dry to keep them safe and to let the solutions do their work. Don't have a sprayer? Well, here at Gregg's, we have loads in stock in a variety of styles, from backpack to handheld, manual to battery powered. So, gear up and clear out those leafy invaders with this week's feature products, Killex Concentrate and Roundup Super Concentrate. What's your preferred method of getting rid of weeds? Let's chat about it in the comments section. And be sure to subscribe to stay up to date with our 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.